2 cats already.
Yeah, but a dog is different.
But with a dog, you have to take it for a walk every day, even in bad weather.
I don't mind.
You guys never want to go out when it's raining. I've got a better idea. At the animal shelter, you can sign up to take their dogs for a walk.
Oh yeah, can we do it? Yeah, let's go now!
What do you think, Michael? We could take a walk after lunch and drop by the animal shelter.
Yeah, I think that's a great idea. We could stop by the post office too. I've got to pick up a package.
Aw, the little kitties. So cute.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, we were just wondering if we could walk one of your dogs.
Oh yes, that would be a great help. The dogs always love it when people come walk them. Come with me, I'll show you our dogs. Here we have a Dalmatian. Unfortunately, he was mistreated and so he's a bit unpredictable. So I won't get you to take him for a walk, especially since you have kids.
There's a dachshund.
Yes, Susie's a sweetheart. She's lovely to walk. And here we have 2 young pups. They're still very playful and need a lot of exercise. And here we've got 2 more dogs.
They're way too big. They're bigger than me. I'm scared of them.
Yeah, that wouldn't be so good.
Well, I vote we take the little black one. Yeah, I think he's cute too.
That's Rufus. He was abandoned as a puppy and then we took him in.
That's awful. How can people be so mean?
Yeah, I don't get it either. Rufus is happy to see you. I'll issue you a dog walker permit. You'll have to come into my office a moment.
Yeah, are you excited? We're gonna go for a walk in a minute.
I need to take down your details. It won't be a moment.
Okay.
I feel so sorry for all the animals here. I wish I could take them all home with me.
We can't, Mummy. We've already got 2 cats.
Right, we can go now. You're doing great, Lena. The lady gave me a trash bag so we can pick up after the dog if it poops.
Okay. Have you found something?
Maybe it's a mouse.
There mustn't have been anything in the log. Rufus just has to sniff everything. Can I hold the leash now, Lena? Oh, alright. Here. Thanks. Come on, Rufus. Come on. Keep going. Faster, Rufus. Come on. Ah, not so fast. Here, you can hold it again. Do you really have to go through here? We're gonna get all dirty. Not there, Rufus.
Oh, sorry. Here, Rufus, come away from there.
He must be hungry. Next time we should bring him some treats.
Oh, the Hauser family. Hello. Did you get a dog?
Oh,
hi, Mrs. Stone.
No, he doesn't belong to us. We're just taking him for a walk today.
Look, they like each other. Yeah, how cute.
Okay, well then, have fun. Bye.
Bye. Shall we walk down by the river?
Yep, but look, Rufus did a poop. We'll have to pick it up first. Right, if you see a trash can, let me know.
Okay. What are you doing, Rufus? Stop pulling. Ah, Daddy!
Stop! Ah!
Daddy!
Oh, crap, I'm sopping wet.
Oh, Rufus, that was a duck. You can't go chasing ducks.
Man, I can't go into the post office like this.
We'll stop by real quick anyway. You don't have to go in with us. Oh look, here's a trash can.
Do you have the card the courier left?
Yeah, I've got it.
Wow, the line is so long. Stop, Rufus. Where do you think you're going? Sorry. Rufus, you can't go back there. Mummy, I'm sorry. I couldn't hold on to him. He's gone back there.
Oh no, I've got a bad feeling about this. Some dogs don't like postmen.
Don't worry about it. That's Rufus, isn't it? He knows his way around here.
I had no idea dogs could get something to eat here.
Right, there you go, your package.
Thanks.
I always have a treat in a bowl back here. The dogs all know that.
Yeah, and now so do we.
Now let's take the package home, and then we have to take Rufus back to the shelter.
Oh no, such a shame.
Ah, there you are. Did everything go okay? Yeah, mostly. Wonderful, I'm glad you had fun. Was it raining? You look so wet, Mr. Hauser.
He went swimming with Rufus.
Wow, that's really going above and beyond.
Bye, Rufus. See you soon, Rufus. We'll come walk you again soon. Yeah, and we'll bring our swimsuits next time. Bye.
Bye!
Bye.
Dear kids, dear Playmobil fans, I hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, we'd love it if you could give it a thumbs up. And if you like, you can watch some more here.